With infants detected with the HMPV virus in Karnataka, Minister for Medical Education and Department have formed an advisory. Remember, while the government and the medical professionals say there's no cause for panic, it is not like the coronavirus, yet exercise caution. Karnataka Health Ministry has given out an advisory, I'm quoting from it. Wearing masks in crowded areas can reduce the risk of transmission. As you can see on your screens as well, we have tried to answer some of the concerns, understandably so. Coming in, if this is like the coronavirus, as deadly as for now, the details that are coming in, that it's not a new virus, it has been detected earlier as well. There are though fresh cases that have emerged and are being reported in India. It's after China. And the kind of situation we have seen, that the situation has escalated and more note is being taken of it here in India as well. So symptoms like cough, fever, nasal, etc. If there is a congestion, shortness of breath, approach the doctor. So the Karnataka government, it appears, jumping into action on this. The Health Ministry of the Karnataka government has said wearing a mask in crowded areas can reduce the risk of transmission. And I would say, why just Karnataka? Every state should have this advisory right now. People need to by themselves ensure caution and not wait for this spread to turn deadly in any way. We all remember how the coronavirus spread. Initially, there were some lack of clarity, and then we've seen the consequences of it as well. For now, fresh detection of cases, 2 infants, a 3-month-old and an 8-month-old, testing positive for this.